So here we have this Sweetcrispy electric standing desk. Now this desk works great if you want to be able to stand up while you do your work. Or maybe sometimes you want to sit down and it'll work for that too. It was pretty simple to put together and has a few cool features on it. First is this fabric drawer, and it's helpful for putting your extra stuff into. There's one of these plastic hooks on each side that you can hang your headsets on so they're not taking up space on the table. There's also these two covers here, and those are pretty helpful for passing wires up. You can just twist this small piece to the side and then pass a cord through just like that. But if that hole's too small, then you can also just pop it up and use the whole thing. There's a control pad on the front that lets you freely move it up and down, and also choose from 3 different presets. It has a nice wide base, so it's super sturdy, and these feet here are actually adjustable, so that's really helpful. It does struggle a bit, but the desk is able to raise and lower my full body weight, which is around 160, 170 pounds. Its max height is just about 4 foot, which is pretty tall, and it has a 28-inch minimum height. Another thing to point out that's really not too big of a deal is these screws here. Even though you can't see them, it still would have been a nice touch if they matched the rest of the frame. Now the tabletop is 5/8 inch thick laminate, so it's not going to be super strong, but it's good enough for a desk this size. The rustic laminate boards also look pretty nice, but these are actually 2 pieces, so it has a split down the center, which I really don't like. But other than that, it's a pretty sleek and decently sturdy desk, so it gets a thumbs up from me.